Unless you live in a complete bubble, you know what's going on in the world, you know the situation. You know that the national debt of the United States is growing, is rising, and there is no way the US is going to pay this money back. Instead, most likely, the government debt will be repaid through inflation. This is how it works. This process involves the government increasing the money supply, which raises the general price level in the economy. As inflation rises, the real value of the fixed nominal debt decreases, making it easier for the government to repay. So what do you think is going to happen soon? A hyperinflation. You think that the double-digit inflation was bad? Wait for it. Wait for a hyperinflation that is coming. What can you do in this situation? A lot of people claim that it's a great idea to put all of your money into Bitcoin, and it's partially true. Yes, Bitcoin will continue growing in value, but you know those bearish cycles, right? Every 4 or 5 years, we have another bearish cycle. And what if you need cash when there is another bearish cycle? You have to sell your Bitcoin at a loss. Guys, I'm not going to lecture you much. There is a way you can make money all the time, 30% annually with very minimal risk, almost no risk. You ready? Without further ado, let's get rolling. What do you see on this chart? That's one of the most boring charts, but what do you see here? What do you see here? Take a look at this. Take a look at this top left corner, EUR USDT. EUR to USD. In one of my previous videos, I spoke about the custom indicator that a team of professional traders and I created a while ago, and I'm going to show you something that I recently discovered. I try to use this indicator with EUR USDT on 6-hour candles, and I discovered that with this indicator, you don't need to have knowledge, you don't need to know how to trade. You can just make profits consistently without losing anything. No stop losses are needed. Nothing. You just trade EUR to USDT by using the 1000x indicator. This is what I would call stability insurance. As long as your exchange is legit and it's not planning to shut down anytime soon, you have very minimal risks, almost no risks. Enough with bold claims. Let me just show you what I mean by that. Let's say we began trading in January 2020. January 2020. We begin trading. Let's say we have $1,000 to trade. We split that amount into 2 portions. One gets converted into euro, and the other portion sits in our wallet in the form of USDT. Now our balance is split into halves. 50% of our balance is in euro and 50% of our balance is in USDT. We split each of the portions in 2 additional portions. So each of the smaller portions equals $250. The strategy is simple. We use the 1000x indicator on 6-hour candles. We go long, meaning we buy euro in the green zone. We sell euro once we gain 1%. Let me start trading by using this simulator, real chart, real numbers. So I'm gonna go long, and this is our target. If we don't hit this target in the green zone, our trade is not executed. This trade hasn't been executed yet. And here we sell our euro with intentions to buy USDT when the price drops by 1%. All right, so this was a successful trade. Now we're waiting for the market to reverse. The indicator shows you exactly when we enter a bullish cycle or when we enter a bearish cycle. So let's wait. I'm going to zoom in a bit and show you how quickly the trade got executed. Each candle is 6 hours. We used USDT to go long. We sold USDT here and we made a profit. Let's wait for this cycle to switch once again. Now we sold our euro, 1 portion of euro, and we are waiting. Once again, no stop losses are needed because these are low risk assets. We're just trading, we're just making profit on a regular basis. No stop losses are needed. We're buying euro once again once we enter the green zone, and we wait, and we're waiting for the asset to appreciate in value by 1%. Boom. Another successful trade. We continue trading even though 2 portions of euro were sold and we did not purchase USDT yet. It doesn't matter. We continue trading. We continue making money. Look how much money we have made already, and we just started the cycle. We just started the year. We started in February, and right now it's March 12th. By March, we have executed 5 trades successfully. But hey, look, this one got executed and this one got executed. We just had to wait for a little longer. This is just a money-making machine. Look at this. This trade got executed too. I just realized that I didn't elaborate on this part, and I want to clarify a couple of things. How you make money here is that you take your euro, you sell it when the price is high, and you repurchase your euro when the price is low. That way you make money. It's a way of going short without using the futures. You take an asset when it costs a lot of money, you sell it, and then when euro goes down, you repurchase euro when the price is low. I realized that this is something I did not explain in the beginning of the video. We sold our euro here, we repurchased it when the price was low, and now we're waiting for another cycle. Now we use one of this to go long, right? And so this cycle is completed. We bought euro here, we sold it here, and we keep 25% of our balance in USDT. Now, once we enter the bearish zone, we take one of this, we sell it as soon as we enter the bearish zone with intentions to repurchase euro once the price drops by 1%. Boom, and we did it right here. Now let's fast forward the process and see the results of the year. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. I want to take a break and talk more about PrimeXBT. If you're serious about trading, you know that the difference between profit and loss can often come down to the trading fees you pay, which is why it is very important to be selective when it comes to picking a crypto exchange. On PrimeXBT, fees are twice as low. I will repeat, twice as low as you would find on Binance Futures, for example. Founded back in 2018, PrimeXBT has built a strong reputation in the crypto space. I love the minimalist interface. I love the UX and UI. This exchange is perfect for experienced and not experienced traders. And here is the best part. If you use my referral link, you will qualify for an additional discount. Feel free to register on the platform and check it out. Just remember to be mindful and evaluate your risks. Trading can be rewarding, but it's always important to make smart decisions. Trade smart and good luck to you. Now let's get back to the main topic. I just calculated how much I would have made with my strategy, and it's about 35%. And you can play around and see how you can customize your strategy. Maybe you don't need 4 portions. Maybe you only want to go long and you do not want to go short. You can use TradingView functions and see how you can customize your strategy. With the strategy that I'm showing you, you can definitely fight inflation and you can multiply your funds on a regular basis, about 30, 40%, 20, 30, 40%, depending on the strategy. You always have access to your funds because you're trading stable coins. Stable coins, government currencies do not experience too much of a change. So it's relatively stable, it's relatively risk-free, and you make money. You make money on a regular basis. Let me show you what would happen with year 2 and year 3. In year 2, it's 52%, which is a little bit higher than 2020. But again, we didn't measure everything precisely. We began with February 2020. This is what the chart would look like. Just take a look at the cycles, perfectly shaped. Let's take a look at 2022 and 2023. It's about 53% in gains in 2022, and finally we have 2023 and 2024. Let's take a look. It's plus 51% in 2023, and finally I am going to take a look at the current year, 2024. This is what we have, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, plus 20 so far. We're in the bearish cycle. And I'm pretty sure if you continue trading in the same exact style and the same exact way, you'll be able to make about 20-25% in gains by utilizing this strategy alone. Once again, this is a strategy that I have discovered by using the 1000x indicator. In my previous videos, I shared a variety of different strategies that you could utilize by using the 1000x indicator. Please check out those videos if you're not familiar with the indicator yet. It's a tool and you can define and figure out your own unique way of using this tool. If you're interested in obtaining the 1000x indicator, feel free to check out the links in the description. At this point, we only sell the lifetime license, and there's a huge, massive discount for the indicator at this point. Price is going up. As we have more people purchasing the indicator, we increase the price. We also don't want to share it with everyone in the world. We want to keep an element of exclusivity for those who purchase the indicator. But hey, you still have an opportunity to get this indicator. Check out the links in the description. I hope this tutorial was useful, and I'll talk to you soon. Till next time, Ivan KV out.